Hello viewers, today we're going to be talking about the periodic table. It goes back a very long way, right back to the very first elements. Under various names and identities at the beginning, there was only alchemy, the transformation of base metals into gold. As a result of this interest in society, people thought it was a good idea to keep a record of the elements. This is one of the first of such, and this is Diderot's alchemical chart of affinities. Take reddish rich virgin earth in a mercury cup, impregnate it with gold, silver, ferrine or serine, and dew till the end of May. Then imbibe sprinklingly with dew gathered in May, and dry in gold. Expose all night to the silver and air, securing it from the rain. Still when it is dry, imbibe and turn the earth often. Continue this till precipitation. The hot gold, especially in the dog days, will make a pure salt shoot up, which mingle back into the earth by turning it all over, then distill by graduated fire as AF, forcing all the spirits. Yeah, that's it. It's written in very old English, so the F's are S's and the S's are F's, and yeah, it's very confusing. However, the next big advance was not made until the periodic table of Antoine Lavoisier in 1789. His periodic table listed only 33 elements, which were roughly categorized by what state of matter they regularly existed in. In his opinion, these were gases, metals, non-metals, and earths. His gases were revealed to be a very strange selection. His list reads: lumiere, light; calorique, heat; oxygene, vital air; hydrogen, inflammable air. And of course now we know that light and heat aren't gases at all. They just obviously didn't have as much knowledge back then. Technically speaking, also vital air is not just oxygen, it's a mix of oxygen, carbon dioxide and other atmospheric gases. The periodic table has a long way to go at this point. However, the next advance was made by the man John Dalton in 1808, and he managed to invent a basic symbol system by which to identify the elements, and this was a list of 36 elements. And you may be interested to know that the symbol for phosphorus in his periodic table was very similar to the hippie symbol of peace. Hello again. The next leap forward in the periodic table history was made by Johann de Bruijne, who invented the triad theory. This, however, is too amazingly complex for me to explain, so here is a diagram. As you can see from that, the periodic table is really starting to take shape at this point. It's much more similar to the one we use today. But here's an exciting bit. After de Bruyne came the French geologist Alexandre Emile Beguier de Chanceurtois. And that's when things got really complicated. Yes. Believe it or not, he is a man. And believe it or not, we have a video. Stay tuned. Come in, my fine English friend. Bonjour. Today I will be talking you through my new table. Not the oak one, of course, the periodic table. It is classified using atomic weights to put it into periods. You basically draw a continuous spiral around a metal cylinder, like so. You then split it into 16 parts, and you say oxygen is 16, and you base the other elements around it. Ah, my new theory, je t'adore, je t'adore. I'll shut the window, it's quite chilly in here, and it is that time of year, so anytime. Goodbye, my friend, goodbye.